Hey everybody, today we're visiting Anaruby Falls, located in the Unicoi State Park near Helen, Georgia. Anaruby Falls lies in the heart of the Chattahoochee National Forest near Helen, Georgia. We're going to be taking a paved trail from the parking lot all the way up to the actual falls. It's only a 0.4 mile hike, so it shouldn't be too bad. So let's go ahead and check it out. All right, everybody, we're walking up the trail.
Hey, stop it.
You know, our little dog won't stop barking. But I don't know how long this hike is going to be, but we'll keep you posted. Okay, everybody, as you can see, we're walking up the trail now. And this little guy is the guy that wouldn't stop barking in the beginning of the video. I just wanted to introduce you to him. His name is Gizmo. So say hello, Gizmo. Hello. So one thing that I notice about the Anaruby Falls area is that it's very dog friendly. There are lots of people walking up the trail to the falls with their dogs. So if you have a dog, if you can go ahead and bring your dog, walk up the trail. I didn't see anybody being stopped. So that's one good thing about it. So if you're in the area and you happen to have your pet with you, go ahead and bring your dog along and you can be able to walk up the trail with your dog. So say bye, Gizmo. Bye. Almost there, guys. I think we've gotten to the end of the trail. This is the Anaruby Falls here. Alright, everybody. There it is, the Anaruby Falls right there. This is a great picture taking spot, area for families to take pictures, photographers, all sorts of stuff, guys. So there you go. Those are the Anaruby Falls. The pictures don't give it justice. I recommend that if you happen to be in the Helen area in Georgia, go and check out Anaruby Falls. It's only 10 minutes from Helen. Now we're gonna go ahead and go on a different trail. Even though there's a bunch of signs out when you're walking up to the falls that says do not go off trail, there's another trail that is just off the paved trail. One thing that I did notice, there's a bunch of signs that says beware of snakes. What? Because there's a lot of copperheads and rattlesnakes. Please be careful out there. Be aware of your surroundings. We wouldn't want anybody to get bitten by a snake. That would probably ruin the vacation. Let's go ahead and check out the other trail. All right, we just found another trail.
What is going on there with the children?
There's no stop. We just found another trail going up this mountain on a non-paved trail, so we're gonna go up it.
Isn't this a whole trail?
You really got to watch your footing here because there's a lot of rocks, a lot of leaves. It becomes slippery. It rained the night before, so it's kind of slippery out here. You can see the regular walking trail down below. There goes the people walking. People are looking over on the railings. Pretty nice place. Keep going. Hopefully we don't run into any bears, any animals. All you want to do is just walk to make sure everything is safe.
Mama, I heard a bear.
You heard a bear? I hope it was Yogi Bear. Where?
Tree. You see it?
Are you serious or are you using
No, I see a bear.
Where?
See it? It's a black bear.
Alright, where's...
Okay, I think I see it.
You mean that
bear.
black thing that's there?
Yeah, is it a bear? I heard a bear coming from that direction. Do you think there's a bear? Yeah, it's a bear.
Where?
It's a little one. Yeah. Come on, Ray. Give me my phone. I'll take a picture of it.
I don't think that's a bear.
I think it's a bear. Dang it, I lost it.
You're talking about this?
No. I can't find it in my phone, so I don't know where it is. I think it's a bear. I heard a bear and I think I see one. Listen to my mic playing tricks on me because I heard a bear. Here, put my phone back. I'm trying to window.
Alright everybody. We think we saw a bear. Actually, let me rephrase that. She thinks she saw a bear. But it turns out it was just a log. So, if we see a bear, we'll try to get it on the recording here. So, without getting eaten or mauled or something. Alright. Bye. Alright everybody, this is the end of our tour. I hope you enjoyed the video. I highly recommend coming out here to Anna Ruby Falls. Be ready to walk, to hike. It's a little bit of a hike. It's work. I'm sweating. I had to take my jacket off. So, but stay tuned for more videos. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe.